Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 1 by 2 times 10 power x minus 1 whole power x plus 3 is equals to 53 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 1 by 2 times 10 power x minus 1 whole power x is equals to 53 minus 3. So 1 by 2, 10 power x minus 1 whole power x is equals to 50. So 10 power x minus 1 whole power x is equals to 50 times 2. So 10 power x minus 1 whole power x is equals to 100. Now 10 power x minus 1 times x is x square minus x is equals to 100. We can write it as 10 square. Now we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now it looks like in quadratic equation. So we can do the middle term split. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So for first two terms, I can take x as common. So x minus 2. If I'll take 1 as common, so x minus 2. So x minus 2 is common. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 2 and x is equals to -1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.